Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2018 model Toyota Innova E, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 75,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintain, plate ending 9, central locking system, all power, dual aircon, 7-seater, fog lights, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 898,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 125,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2021 model Toyota Corolla Altis B, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 33,000 kilometers mileage, T-Sure Elite certified unit, keyless entry, push-button start, power fold side mirrors, daytime running lights, automatic headlights, touchscreen monitor, power adjust driver seat, proximity sensors, reverse camera, leather seats, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 878,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 229,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2023 model Hyundai Creta GL, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 6,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, power window, 5-seater, airbags, fuel economy, leather seat, push start, steering controls, power retractable, alloy mags, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 888,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 138,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2023 model Suzuki Ertiga GL Hybrid, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 2,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, alloy mags, 7-seater, fog light, rear sensor, all-power, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 888,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 136,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2020 model Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2-liter V-turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, alloy mags, power retractable side mirror, airbag, stepboard, steering controls, bed liner, rear camera, leather seat, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,038,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 174,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2022) model Toyota Fortuner LTD, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 45,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, with CASA records, two-tone color, push-start engine, red at black leather seats, power and cooling ventilated seats, paddle shifters, keyless entry, eco and power mode, cruise control, lane assist, automatic tailgate, camera sensors, spare key, car manuals, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 350,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.